ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्री श्री राधारस सुधा के उत्कंठिता राधा, very very eagerness to Radharani. Srila Prabhupada Saraswati spoke this verse. Shyameti sundar vareti manohariti Gandharpa koti laliteti sunagarteti Shodkanthamanni grinati Murakulasi Saradhika mai kadanu bhavet prasanya Shyameti sundara vareti manohareti Gandharva koti laliteti sunagarteti Gandharva koti laliteti sunagareti Shodkanthamanni girnate mohrakutulakhi Saradhika mai kadanu bhavet prasanna Radharani, Priyatam, beloved Shri Krishna wants to see. Radharani wants to see beloved Shri Krishna. In this way, praying, He Shyam, He Sundarvar, O Manohar, O Gandharva koti lalit, He Sunagar. In this way, many times, not only one time, praying to Shri Krishna, Shri Radhika, when will be happy to be. Srila Prabhupada Saraswati praying to Radharani. Always his mind, heart, mood to when Radhika give him mercy. No need any other things. Brajavasi is only one point more to Shri Krishna. They don't know any others. साधक उस प्रेमी अनुगत साधक डिवोटी they are following to Brajavasi. Brajavasi mood, Brajavasi have only one point mood to Shri Krishna. So Braja Prem only Anugatta Maya. Anugatta only surrender mood. Following to Radharani, following to Gopi, Tasava Anuga Hoya, Prem Seva Nivachaya, Hingite Budhi Vasavakai. Srila Narottam Thakur. Tasava Anuga Hoya, We are following to gopis, manjaris. So then they are giving the order, Prem Seva. How can start to Radharani? Prem Seva. And they are showing me only by sign. Rupe gune dagamadi sada havanuragi. Very beautiful form, beautiful and all good qualities. Only too much attachment to Radharani. Basati kari basakir mal. I am living with Sakhi Manjari and serving to Radharani. Srila Prabhupada Saraswati Pad weeping. Ha Sri Radhiki, O Radhe, Moi Vidhe Kripa Balo. You give me your mercy. When you are watching me, O Radhe, I am very ordinary person, very simple. O Radhe, please see me with your mercy. I am alone. I am no Vaishnava Sadhu association. How can live alone? No association. Hey Radhe, without you, so how can live? In this way, that time his visions coming. Divya Avishar. Radharani going to see Krishna. How is her decorations? This is called Avishar. Radharani wants to meet with Sri Krishna. So then, very, very eagerness. At a time, Radharani going to Milan Kunja, where Sri Krishna living in the Kunja, so meeting there in this way, Radharani going to Kunja. Anurag Jata Prabal Avishar Tatayi Anivaj. Anurag, deeply attachment, very deeply attachment. In this way, Radharani wants to meet with Sri Krishna. Without Prajaprami, other persons, they can't understand how is Radhika's mood. Okay, so Radharani going to Sri Krishna. But that time, how is that time? How is feeling? Mathayi tapana tapati tapta baluka. Mathayi tapana tapata patha baluka. Atapadahana vithan. Nani kaputalitanam. Charana kamala janam. Dinahi karalaya vishar. Radharani going to Sri Krishna in Kunja, but that time in the daytime. In the daytime, sun rising, too much heat, very hot. On the head have sun. Tapata baluka patha. On the way, too much hot. Sand automatically. Sand mane reti balu. Garam, very hot. Atapadahana bithar, all air very hot. Noni Kaputulatono. How is Radha? Like butter. Charana Kamalachanu, his feet very soft. Dinai Karalaya Visa. In the daytime, Radharani going to Sri Krishna's Kund. Hari Hari Prema Kagote Anivar. Oh, this is too much prem, love and affections. Kano Parasarasi Paravasarathravati Vichurala Sabahu Vichar. So Sri Krishna is there. I'll meet with Sri Krishna. In this way, Rasavati Radha forgot everything. When going, what is time, what too much, how is it, we never think. So in this way, Radharani was mad. Sam Sukhetya. Oh, Sam Sundar will be happy. In this way, Radharani forgot all things, all problem, everything crossed, and going to Nikunja Bhumi. But that time Shamsundar not coming. So time already over. Swamini Radharani, too much eagerness. Then weeping and always watching to Shamsundar when Sri Krishna would come. At that time Shamsundar is darsane akankha vyakul. Shamsundar give him darshan. In this way, vyakul loyal, weeping.
By weeping, there's a reason coming. Shamsundar gives darshan. Or directly, really coming.
Directly, Radharani watching when Sri Krishna will come. Radharani weeping for Sri Krishna.
Then Sri Krishna come back.
Sri Krishna not coming. Coming later, but Radharani waiting for Sri Krishna. Then Radharani always remembered to Shamsundar good quality, his beautiful form, all good quality, all his leela. In this way, Radharani waiting for Sri Krishna. Hey Shamsundar, when you are coming, so your body is like new cloud, Shyam Kanti, all Vrindavan, everywhere lightning. So Trailokya Mohan, you attractive to see the universe. Who is not attractive? সেই কান্তি মাধুরীতে পাগলিনী হইয়া কোন কুলাঙ্গনার ধৈর্যের বাঁধ ভাঙিয়া না যায়। So your Kanti Madhuri effulgence, lightning body, already they cannot control themselves. রাধার ভাব মাধুরী অঙ্গীকারে উন্মাদ হইয়া। So Mahaprabhu took Radhika's bhav mood and he was mad. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when remembered to Shamsundar, Shamsundar too much effulgence, million sun, too much light. In this way, Mahaprabhu forgot, oh, how much Sundar beauty. Brajakula Dugdha Sindhu, Krishna Tai Purna Indu, Janmi Kaila Jagata Yujo. Brajendra Kula Dugdha Sindhu, Krishna Tai Purna Indu, Janmi Kaila Jagata Yujo. Brajapur is like milk ocean. So Sri Krishna is full moon. He took birth in Brajapur, Nanda Bhavan, Mata Yashoda, from Mata Yashoda. And he gave light to everywhere. Kanta Mrita Jeva Piye, Nirantara Piya Jivi, Braja Janer Nayana Chako. Brajavasi, their eyes is chakor like Panchi bird, always watching to see Krishna. Sakhi Potha Krishna Karaho Darasa. Oh my dear Sakhi, where is Sri Krishna? You show me, I want to see him. Khanika jar mukha na dekhile phatebu, shikra dekhao na rahe jiva. One moment, if not see to Sri Krishna, so broke my heart. So please quickly show me Sri Krishna. Without darshan, I cannot live in my life. Ei Braje Ramani, Kamar Katapta Kumodini, Nija Karamrita Diyada. Braja Ramani, always thirsty, pyasi, like Kumodini, without Sri Krishna cannot be. Please give me darshan. Prabhullita kariyai, Amora Chandra sei, dekhao sakhi rakho mor pran. Oh Radhe, oh Sakhi, I want to see this moon. Krishna moon, show me and give my life. Kaanse chuda ratham, Siki pinche ruda, Navamege jana indradhano. Then his peacock feather, crown. Navamege jana indradhanu, new cloud, then Ramdhanu, then bow arrow, so 7 color bow in the sky. Pitambara Tarudduti, in the sky, in the cloud, then skylight coming, busy. This is Pitambar skylight. Mukta Mala Pakapati, Sri Krishna's neck, Mukta heart. Like Bhagavati on the cloud, then so many birds flying like garlands. Novambuda Jini Syamotano, new cloud, Sri Krishna coming in Brajapur. एक बार जार नयन लागी, सदा तार हृदय भासी, कृष्ण तनु जन आम्र आठा. If see one time always Krishna coming in heart. Cannot forget to him. Like mangoes, atha, atha mane mango, gum, like paper fixing, one to one paper fixing. Same way, this is gum. So, too much attraction to Sri Krishna. Narir bone paise hai jatre hai bahira. Coming to ladies' heart. So we try, but not going outside. Tobu tanu nai se akule kata. This body always fixing to Sri Krishna. We cannot forget him. Jiniya tamala duti indra nila samakanti jai kanti jagat mata. So tamal samal Sri Krishna like his indra nil, that effulgent light. Jagat Mata, everyone become mad. Singha rasa tate chhani, tate chandra josna sani, jane vidhi niramilata. Vidhi Brahma made this Sri Krishna so beautiful for. Radharani spoke, He Syamal, He Syam Sundar. If you are not giving darshan, then my life is going out. Please save me, give darshan. He Radhe, then Kinkari told Radhe, please wait. Now Sri Krishna will come. Kintu Radharani deep separations more. Vedana jarjarita prani santanar path pathar. How can I give pacify to her? But Radharani waiting for Sri Krishna. He Sundarvar, He Ruchi, He Manohar, He attractive moon. Your Saundarya Rasa Sudha Aspradhane Chanta. My life is going down. তোমার সৌন্দর্য আস্বাদনের জন্য নয়ন যে অধীর। সৌন্দর্য আস্বাদনের জন্য আনন্দ বিধান করো। যিনি সুন্দরতায় অখিল দর্শকে নয়ন আনন্দ বিধান করে। Who is beauty? Everyone become happy for Sri Krishna. He is Sundarva Ruchi. So how can control myself? Oh Kinkari, you can't understand my mind. Without Sri Krishna, how can live? Onne je dukha mane, annataha nahi jane, satya ei শাস্ত্রের বিচার। एक অপরের দুঃখ কেউ জানতে পারে না, বুঝতে পারে। অন্য জন কা লিখি নাই জানে প্রাণ সখী। Who can understand? Also, Pran Sakhi, Manjari, they can't understand. They are saying, oh, please wait, please wait. कृष्ण कृपा पारावार कभू करिबे अंगीकार सखी तो ये व्यर्थ वचन कृष्ण कृपार समुद्र निश्चय अंगीकार करबे किंतु सखी তুমি যে বলছো এটা তোমার false thought. You are saying everything false. জীবের জীবন চঞ্চল যেন পদ্ম পত্রে জল. How is life? Like on the lotus leaf, have little water, restless. Same way, Jiva's life. ততদিন জীবে কোন জন কে জীবন ধারণ করে শত বর্ষ পর্যন্ত জীবের জীবন যন্ত এই বাক্য না বিচার 100 বছর পর্যন্ত জীবের জীবন তার মধ্যে কতটুকু সময় নারীর যৌবন ধন যারে কৃষ্ণ করি মন সে যৌবন দিন 2-4 only 2-4 days young life youth life so automatically going now how can live in this body how can control myself without Sri Krishna. In this way, Radharani always her mood is Sri Krishna Sukha Tatparya. How Sri Krishna will be happy? How can serve to him? Without Sri Krishna Seva, some calls, sometimes, some movement cannot control. In this way, Radharani become mad. At that time, Manjari watching Sri Krishna coming and speak to Radharani. Speak to Radharani. Oh Radhi, why you are weeping? Already I came. Where I go? I cannot go anywhere. You are my heart, you are my life. আমি কোথায় যাব? আমি তো তোমার প্রাণের সম্পদ। তুমি কেন খেদ করছো? এইভাবে রাধারানী মনে মনে করছেন কি বহু বল্লভ চন্দ্রাবলীর কুঞ্জ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ এই যে বহু বল্লভ living with so many gopis. Now Sri Krishna coming from Chandravali Kunja and this time he speaking me and অন্য অভিনয় করছেন and request me this is the who cheating me. In this way Radharani was Sankemo Dhira Sri Dhira Manvati. Then in this way she was Sankemo. Then spoke to Sri Krishna. Oh my dear Krishna, you are monohara, attracting my mind. You are stealing all ladies' mood, mind, heart. You fulfill everyone's desire. All Brajagopis, they want to meet with you. সমস্ত প্রজগোপীরা তোমাকে পেতে চায়।